Hello everyone, I am going to explain a program using exception handling in Java application. The main aim of this program is to perform the operations on an integer queue by making use of the concept of interfaces. Now here I am going for the coding. Here first of all I have created int exception.java. Now this is the public class int exception which is extended by the class exception. Here this all are the user defined members of the exception which I have declared here. Now I have created another class called queue. Here inside the queue I have declared the member functions of the queue like array, friend, rear. Now for the operations of the queue like push, pop and display have been defined here. Here in this, first of all I have defined the push member function, that is public void push, and a parameter have been passed, and here an exception has been thrown. If this is the condition, like if friend is less than 9, then array size will be incremented and an element has been pushed. If the queue is full, then an exception is occurring and throw is happening here. Now in push, if the condition is like if friend greater than equals to rear, then rear plus plus, then a message will be printed as queue is empty. If this is the condition, then the element from the queue has been popped out. Otherwise, if the queue is empty, then an exception is thrown here also. But for the member function like display, in this operation, there is no exception occurs. So no throw or catch, nothing is like that. Here the condition is like if friend is greater than equals to rear, then then the compiler will show the elements of that particular queue in the format of for int I is equal to rear, I less than equals to friend, and I plus plus, and the array has been shown. Now here I have created. Now this is the main method of this program. Now in this main method, a class has been created as main, and a scanner SC has been created because it is used under the import java.util. For the queue, I have created a reference variable as queue. Then a while statement is used for checking whether the exception is occurring or what. Now, first of all, inside the while statement, I have created a message like enter the operation. First one push, second one pop, and third one display. Here is which cases used. For three cases have been used for three different operations of the queue. For the first push, here this is the condition where we are going to push the number. If there is an exception is occurring, then there is an exception will be thrown. Otherwise, the number has been pushed. Now the pop and display has also been called here. Now if I run this program, we can see the compiler is asking the operation which we are entering like 1, enter the number as 5. Here we can see that element has been pushed. Same if I will enter again one element 4, again another element has been pushed inside the queue. If I will pop it, then the queue is empty, that there is an exception has been occurred. Now here if again I will enter as 4.5. Here we can see an exception has been occurred, that when I have entered a non-integer value like 4.5, then an exception happened in this program. In this way, this has been executed. Thank you.